In this video, I'll show you how to swap Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you need to do is open up your Tonkeeper Wallet and log into your account. Once you log into your wallet, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. The funds of your account will show up right here, and right under that, we're going to look for a button that says swap. Tap on it. After you've tapped on swap, you should see a page that looks like this. And as you can see under send, I already have Toncoin selected, and receive, I have USDT selected. But if Toncoin isn't already selected, we're just going to tap on the arrows right next to it. Pick it out of the list. If you don't see it in the list, you're just going to search for it in the search bar and tap on Ton. And under receive, we're going to do the same thing. If it's not already selected, tap on the arrow, type in USDT. You're going to see you have a couple options. This JUSDT is actually USDT bridged on the Ton chain. But for this example, we want the original USDT tether. So we're going to tap on that one. After that, just enter the amount of Toncoin you want to swap into USDT. And it'll show you right here the amount of USDT that you'll receive. Over here where it says transaction information, if you just tap on that arrow, it'll show you a bunch of your transaction information, the price impact on the blockchain, the minimum amount that you're going to receive, which will be 4816, the slippage, and your Ton blockchain fees. After you've confirmed everything is correct and you're okay to go ahead, you're going to tap on this button right here, confirm the transaction on the next page, and that's how to swap Toncoin for USDT on the Tonkeeper wallet. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.